Karnataka Home and ITBT Minister Priyank Kharge on June 12th said that the special investigation team, which is probing the alleged Dharmasthala murders, sexual assaults and burial case, would respond before the Karnataka High Court following a writ petition filed by CN Chinnaiah. While addressing the media, the minister said the SIT would examine the allegations and claims made in the petition before submitting its response to the court. He emphasized that the investigation is being conducted under judicial supervision and therefore details of the probe cannot be discussed publicly. The development comes after CN Chinnaiah approached the Karnataka High Court on June 10th claiming that he had been used as part of a conspiracy to malign the reputation of the sacred pilgrimage center of Dharmasthala. In his writ petition, Chinnaiah sought directions to the SIT to investigate and take action against those allegedly involved in the conspiracy. According to reports, Chinnaiah named activist Mahesh Shetty Timarodi, Girish Mattanavar, Vittal Gowda and Jayant as individuals who allegedly orchestrated a campaign against Dharmasthala. The petition also reportedly mentioned actor turned politician and activist Prakash Raj. Reacting to reports that Chinnaiah had claimed he was paid 200 crore rupees to support the alleged conspiracy, Priyank Kharge said that the truthfulness of the claim must be verified. The minister noted that Chinnaiah is the same individual who had earlier made sensational allegations about multiple murders, rapes and secret burials, and therefore all his statements require careful verification as part of the ongoing investigation. Priyank Kharge also clarified that merely because Prakash Raj's name has been mentioned in the petition, he cannot automatically be treated as a criminal or an accused without evidence and due legal process. Chinnaiah was earlier arrested on charges of perjury after claiming that he had buried hundreds of bodies over a span of 2 decades, many of which he alleged bore signs of sexual abuse. He had also made allegations against the temple administration. Following these claims, the Karnataka government constituted a special investigation team to probe the matter. According to available information, the SIT later arrested Chinnaiah after recovering a few bodies near the Netravati river during the course of the investigation. Meanwhile, actor turned politician and activist Prakash Raj responded to reports linking his name to the case, urging the public not to believe rumors or fabricated narratives. In a statement, he said, "Please do not believe rumors or exaggerated and fabricated stories that some malicious individuals are trying to attach in this news." For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.